Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to talk to you about the U visa. I have been getting so many questions about this case type and I want to highlight some important things about the U visa. First of all, what is it? Who qualifies? What are some of the benefits and how long is it taking? Stay tuned. Before I get started, I want to remind you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell below to receive notifications every time I upload a new video with new information for you. First, what is the U visa? Who qualifies? You may qualify for a U visa if you have been the victim of a violent crime that occurred within the United States and you cooperated with law enforcement. That's key. So a lot of people tell me, I was the victim of a violent crime, but I didn't call the police. Well, then you wouldn't qualify for this. But let's say that you did suffer a violent crime, but the perpetrators were never found. You filed the police report, you offered as much information as you could. You did everything you possibly could on your end. It's just that they never were able to continue the case. If that's a situation, then you may still qualify for the U visa. What are the benefits? Well, the benefits are that one of them is that eventually you can become a resident through the U visa. After holding the U visa for 3 years, you can apply for a green card. Now, there's more to that. There's a lot of grounds of inadmissibility that you may be able to waive. So, for example, maybe you're married to a U.S. citizen, but you made a false claim to U.S. citizenship in the past. If that's the case, you may be permanently barred to immigrate through family, for example. But through the U visa, that is something that would likely be waived. And this is just an example. The U visa waives many, many things. So if you've been told before that you don't qualify for a green card through some other way, and you think you may qualify through the U visa, it is very important that you talk about this in an evaluation with an immigration attorney. Bring this up. It may give you the opportunity you need. The other benefit is that you eventually become a green card holder and you can help your family members. So if you have minor children or a spouse that you want to include, you could include them as well. And it is also eventually a pathway to U.S. citizenship. Now, some of the biggest negative about this visa that I'm going to mention, because, if you filed a U visa, you already know, the wait isn't what it used to be, okay? People are currently waiting about 5 years just to get a decision from USCIS. 5 years. That's a long time. And in the meantime, there is no work permit. You will, however, get a work permit. So once your case is approved, after about 5 years of waiting, once it's approved, you will likely be placed on a U visa wait list. Congress only allows 10,000 U visas to be issued a year. So that means there is a wait list of usually several years before you'll actually have a U visa. But in the meantime, while you're on the wait list, because you've already been approved, you will qualify for a work permit. It is not until you actually have the U visa is the one that lasts 4 years. It's not until you have the physical U visa that you start counting the 3 years to be able to apply for a green card. I know a lot of you guys had a lot of questions about this, and I hope that this answered some of them. I'm happy to answer more questions. If you think you qualify, it's really important that you call me to schedule an evaluation to see how we can help. You can call me at 310-803-3040. You can also go to my website to book an appointment. And please don't forget to click the bell to subscribe to my channel and receive notifications every time I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye.